Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is the unboxing of the Skydroid G30. The Skydroid G30 series is powered by a Qualcomm 6nm processor and runs on Android 14 embedded OS. It provides smooth and stable operation with an open ecosystem that supports installing most mainstream applications. It features a newly developed high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module, supporting automatic frequency hopping and dynamic MCS adjustment, achieving up to 30 km image and data transmission distance. The device body is built using meteorological-grade silicone, matte rubber, stainless steel, and ABS material, delivering both excellent hand feel and robust environmental durability. Dust-proof design is applied to the body, control switches, and peripheral interfaces, ensuring stable operation even in harsh conditions. It features a 10.1-inch industrial-grade sunlight-readable touchscreen with a resolution of 1920x1200, offering high screen-to-body ratio and clear visibility even under strong light. The built-in high-energy density lithium-ion battery provides 6-8 hours of continuous operation and supports 33 WPD fast charging. Its rugged outdoor reliability ensures worry-free use in various mission environments. G30 also supports fiber optic wired communication, allowing seamless switching between wired and wireless transmission. Fiber optic communication offers ultra-high bandwidth, ultra-low latency, strong anti-interference capability, and high security, ideal for demanding and complex operating scenarios. It is also equipped with a built-in speaker and Wi-Fi 2.4G 5G module. The G30 is widely applicable to helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, multi-rotor drones, unmanned vehicles, unmanned boats, and more for video transmission, data communication, and remote control operation. Inside the box, Skydroid G30 remote controller. Size: 346mm, 196.5mm, 89.4mm. Weight: 1518.5G. Resolution: 1920x1200. Battery: 20,000 mAh. Endurance: 6-8 hours. Working bands: 2.4G 5.8G. Control range: 5-30 km. G30 is equipped with a fiber optic interface, Type-C port, SIM card slot, RJ45 Ethernet port, PPM interface, and USB upgrade port. G30 can be paired with two optional receivers. G30 receiver. Size: 82mm, 58.7mm, 20mm. Weight: 121.7G. Working bands: 2.4G 5.8G. Input voltage: 12V. Working current: 500 milliamperes. Operating temperature: 10 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius. RF power: 23 dBm at CEFCC. The GR03 receiver offers dual serial pass-through, dual Ethernet ports, SBUS, PWM audio output, and more. The system also provides an SDK development kit, supports floating video display, and is compatible with mainstream flight control ground stations. Accessories included: 2.45.8G antennas, G30 feeder cable, G30 PWM cable, R20 Ethernet cable, S2 Mini GR01 data transmission cable, G03 audio cable, G01 power cable, stick centering removal paddles, USB adapter, Type-C data cable, standard fast charger, remote controller neck strap, G01 receiver. Size: 45.5 mm, 60 mm, 21.5 mm. Weight: 35.5 g. Input voltage: 7.272 V. Working bands: 2.4 G, 5.8 G. Operating temperature: 10 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius. Accessories included: 2.45.8 G antennas, G01 feeder cable, G01 PWM cable, G01 K3A data transmission cable, G01 power cable, R20 Ethernet cable. That's everything inside the box. Thank you for watching this Skydroid G30 unboxing. To learn more, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.